2025 is going to be a very interesting year for crypto. We'll have a new president, we'll have a new SEC chair, and for the first time ever, we will have a crypto and AI advisory board. Things are changing, and in today's video, I want to share how I am personally investing into the crypto space going into 2025 and beyond. Make sure to like and subscribe. I've been investing in crypto since 2017. I worked for a small tech startup. So you can imagine there were a lot of people that were researching things that at the time were ahead of the game, were not mainstream. But I didn't really start heavily investing into crypto until 2020, when I do feel like it became more mainstream and people started taking it more serious. As of December 10th, the date of recording, my total crypto investments are just under $8,000 at $7,804.32. We'll get into some graphics here in a bit, but my largest pieces of that 8K are Dogecoin, Pepe, and Ripple, which total about 60% of my entire holdings. So let's get into these charts that I've made. I made a spreadsheet that I track all of my cryptos with. I'm going to try to update it monthly to keep you guys informed with how it's doing and if I'm making any moves. But this is where my portfolio stands going into 2025. If you are new to the channel and you haven't watched my previous videos, you will know that I've got an account with Robinhood, Crypto.com, Coinbase Wallet, and Metamask. Those are the 5 platforms that I use to invest in crypto. About 80% of my entire portfolio, or just over 80%, is in Robinhood and Crypto.com. So you can see I've got just under 3,000 on Robinhood and just under 3,400 on Crypto.com, with the most on Crypto.com being in Ripple and the most on Robinhood being in Dogecoin. The other ones that I've got, Coinbase, are just over $700. Coinbase Wallet is just over $600, and then Metamask just has one token on there, Kakinu, and that is 1% of my total portfolio. So you'll see that I am pretty heavily invested in the meme coin space. This was one of the biggest surprises with my portfolio, was I am 51% of my entire crypto portfolio is in meme coins. We'll get into that in a sec, and if I might make any changes. 51%, 52% really is in the meme coin. So total portfolio, you can see here, as I mentioned, about 27% of my portfolio is in Pepe, just over 15 is in Doge, and Ripple is about 18%, and then just over 10% in Bitcoin, and just under 5% is in Ethereum. I want to talk about quickly what my current recurring deposits are. So this is all through Robinhood. I've got weekly buys set up in Bitcoin, Cardano, and Ripple. Cardano and Ripple are $2.50 each on a weekly basis, and Bitcoin is $6.50 per week. I've had this Bitcoin buy consistently set up for over a year. It's ranged anywhere from $1 a week up to, I think at its highest, I was doing $10 a week. I don't know off the top of my head. That's one that I am, I guess, proportionally investing heavier in going into 2025. So the potential changes that I may make, what I already had mentioned is that I am heavily invested into meme coins, and that definitely concerns me slightly with the implicit risk that is surrounded with meme coins, and that there's potential for them to just be real projects and to be complete rug pulls. I think one of the reasons I am heavily invested in meme coins is that I've got a little bit of FOMO, in a sense that I might look at a coin or hear about a coin, research it, and decide not to invest. And then a month goes by, and had I invested, maybe $100 would have been $2,000 or $5,000 or whatever the case may be. So it's a little bit of FOMO in missing out, which, to be honest, means I am focusing way too much on the potential of life-changing returns in money and a get-rich-quick. But as I'm growing older and hopefully a little wiser, I'm realizing that the get-rich-quick or the 1000x coin might just not be part of my investment story. So I want to make sure that I am protecting the money that I do have in crypto and the future money that I'm going to be investing in crypto. I realize that I don't invest in the stock market that way. I'm not hoping for parabolic gains in the stock market. I'm really not hoping for it in crypto either, but I've definitely seen that my focus over the last year and a half has been in the meme coin space. So with that, I'm not going to be selling anything at the moment. I'm going to wait at least another 30, 45 days, probably until early February, before I were to make any changes. I want to see how the crypto market reacts to Donald Trump being in the office and the staff that he has appointed to take over in that space. Some of the cryptos that I may be looking at changing are Pepe. I've only invested about $200 and I've made about $2,000 right now if I were to capitalize or sell anything. I'm not going to do anything right now, but that's one that I'm going to watch. I may be shifting some of that money and putting it into maybe a Bitcoin or a Ripple. Some other ones are like a Pepe 2.0. I'm not even sure why I have that in my portfolio, to be honest. I don't think it's ever going to become more dominant than Pepe is. And then other ones that I want to watch are Cock Inu, Bonk, and Mad. And then just some of the other smaller meme coins that I have maybe $20, $30, $50 invested in. But right now I'm going to continue to hold and just wait to see what happens over the next 30 to 45 days. So my focus is going to be acquiring more of the gold of cryptos, more Bitcoin. I'd like to acquire more Ripple as well. I've got about 650 XRP and I'd like to get up closer to 1,000. So that's really what I'm doing in 2025. I'm going to refocus on more of the mainstream projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, etc. I'm probably not going to put any more money into like a Dogecoin or a Shiba Inu, but I would like to make my portfolio less risky in the crypto space going into 2025 and less gambling on these meme coins that I currently am invested in. So let me know in the comments down below what you're doing with your portfolio in 2025. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.